Your book cover design will either boost or kill your book sales. And even if you're a graphic designer like me, you'll discover that a beautifully designed cover might still get you 0 sales. I've been there with my first books, and despite my stunning designs, I ended up with crickets. And I couldn't understand why. I can't imagine how frustrating that must be for people who aren't graphic designers and are facing the same challenge. But there is a company that creates affordable book covers proven to sell. So I decided to check them out, learn their process, and see if the cover designs were any good. So keep watching to see how it went. Hi, welcome back. My name is Gabrielle, and I'm a self-published author, a mom of 2 beautiful kids, and I love sharing tips on how to make money online. I just got back from Cancun and clearly got a little too much sun. My kiddos and I had a wonderful Easter weekend, and I hope you did too. And it's all thanks to the power of passive income. Today, I'm sharing the book cover creation process with 100 covers. They've designed tens of thousands of book covers for self-published authors across many niches. Even though I'm a graphic designer myself and have created most of my own covers, at first I painfully discovered that a successful book cover needs to hit factors beyond just a good design. At first, that baffled me because I thought an attractive, well-designed cover would be enough. It is not. And yes, people judge books by their cover. I have over 25 years of experience as a graphic designer, and not to brag, but I am a really good designer. But I was new to KDP when my first beautiful book covers flopped. So I partnered with 100 covers, and in this video, I am showing you their creation process and why their covers sell. First, I chose the print package, which includes an ebook cover, an audiobook cover, and print cover designs for KDP and other self-publishing platforms like Ingram Spark. And by the way, with my coupon code Gabrielle, you get 30% off any of their packages. The link is in the description. After purchasing a package, they show you a video explaining what happens next, and I highly recommend you watching it. They also email you a link with an order form with a video on how to fill it out. Honestly, I skipped the video the first time because the form seemed pretty straightforward. When I did watch the video later, I noticed they mention a tool, but it is completely optional. Here's how you will fill the order form. You select your package and the formats you need. Even though I didn't select all of them, they still offered the remaining ones by email since they were included in my print package. Next, you enter your author name, book title, and subtitle. Don't have those yet? I recommend nailing those down through keyword research before you even start writing your book. I made a video on how to do that, and you can watch it here. Within that video, I also recommend another way to do keyword research. Next, you provide your book description and any special requests or design ideas. I love this part because it lets you share your vision while still giving them room to create something proven to sell. They've studied the performance of every single cover they've ever made and applied that knowledge, which is impressive. I am very surprised that they offer unlimited revisions across all of their packages, which, as a graphic designer, is something I personally would never offer. And most Fiverr designers or Upwork designers won't either. This means that the team at 100 Covers is very patient and committed to your success. They want to ensure you are satisfied with the end result. I don't know how long they will offer unlimited revisions for all packages, so you might want to get started today. Remember, your book doesn't have to be finished when you order your book cover. But if you've already created your book, maybe even published it with a bad cover, no problem. They will create a new one for you, and you can update it on Amazon anytime. You'll also need to provide the ASINs of 2 current Kindle bestsellers in your genre, along with the 2 primary categories you're hoping to compete in. I recommend looking at which categories your chosen bestsellers are listed in, or use my favorite free category finder. I placed the link to it in the description. If you have an author page, you can include the link in this field. If not, just leave this field blank. I also love that they ask whether you're okay with them using AI. I said yes. This doesn't mean the entire cover will be AI generated. They might use AI to create the image or images and then build the full design around it. If your book is fiction, you can describe your characters, settings, time periods, and any specific details. Mine isn't fiction, so I left those fields blank. Finally, you add any additional comments and submit the form. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email, and within a day or two, get assigned a project manager who stays in contact with you throughout the entire process. Over the next few days, you'll start receiving cover drafts, which you can download from a link. I received 3 cover design options, and I was pleasantly surprised that all were completely different from each other. That makes choosing so much easier. I selected one and gave feedback. They came back with 2 similar options based on what I said. I picked one and gave a little more feedback because I felt the text needed minor tweaks. They sent 2 more revised options, and I chose a winner. I feel they hit the mark very fast, and I am not easy to please when it comes to designs, being an experienced designer myself. I feel it was a nice touch that they kept giving me choices though. It really increases the chances of meeting the client's needs. So, in less than a week, my ebook cover was done. After that, they followed up with the audiobook cover, and now they're waiting on me to send the print cover specs. To create print covers, whether paperback or hardcover, they need to know the exact page count, which you can only confirm once your book is fully formatted. If you don't want to format the book yourself, they can do that for you too. I had already started mine, so I didn't hire them for the formatting this time, but it's great to know I have that option, because formatting a book is not my favorite thing. So far, I've had an excellent experience with 100 covers, and I am genuinely impressed. And I must say, I am a picky perfectionist graphic designer, so I've always been hesitant to hire anyone for creating designs. So outsourcing covers was an interesting decision for me. The thing is, I'd find it really hard to trust a random designer on Fiverr or Upwork, especially with book cover design. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying there's no good designers out there on Fiverr or Upwork. But with 100 covers, I felt confident for 3 reasons. 1, they've created tens of thousands of book covers. 2, they don't just make covers look good. They know what's actually working right now to sell books across many genres, from fantasy to sci-fi, thrillers, romance, spiritual, business, self-help, and more. You can check out their portfolio, and every single cover fits its niche perfectly. And 3, they track the performance of every cover they've ever designed to learn what drives sales across a wide range of genres. They know the winning formula. I invite you to try them yourself, and remember, you get a huge 30% off any package with my code Gabrielle. The link is in the description. So here's the real secret to a winning cover. You don't just need a good-looking cover. You need a cover that sells. And covers that sell are the ones that fit the genre, amongst other 7 factors that I will discuss in an upcoming video. Miss that mark, and your book won't sell, no matter how pretty it looks. That was a mistake I made with my first 25 books. They all had beautiful covers, but many didn't fit the niche nor hit the other 7 essential points that I will be discussing in my next video. On top of that, I hadn't learned how to craft titles and subtitles or do keyword research back then. I thought I could upload a bunch of beautiful books to Amazon and the sales would come flooding in. And that's not how it works. But once I learned that lesson, got good at keyword research, followed a proper launch process, and created covers that matched the niche with clear, legible titles and subtitles, my sales started climbing. Want to learn how to do all of this? I have videos on every one of these topics in my Amazon KDP Journey playlist. Check them out here. I'm excited to launch this new book once I finish formatting it, and I'll be creating a follow-up video on how the launch goes. So consider today's video part 1. In the following weeks, I will be sharing the 8 key factors that constitute a good book cover. So please like and subscribe so you can check it out. And if you want to know the exact steps for a successful book launch, grab the free book launch steps PDF in the description. I hope you found this useful and that my tips and recommended tools help you earn passive income online so you can have more time with your family. YouTube thinks you'll love the next video, so go watch it next.